Hello everyone, welcome once again sa ato ang LV Amor Vlogs. Here in today's episode, it is a happy sharing. No, I have to use the infotainment to inform and to entertain. No, we call this kind of message sa library infotainment. So. But before that, our Bible passage is taken from 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verses 17 to 18. Rejoice forevermore and pray without ceasing. No? So, to start with, I will introduce to you the different rings that we have to wear in our Christian walk, in our Christian experiences as we go through this path called life. So, first ring that we have to encounter or wear is the wandering. So, it can't be denied that before we come to know Jesus, we are wandering everywhere, no? Here, there, and everywhere, asking questions, who am I? Why am I here? Is there a God? Does God exist? So, wandering, no? From one question to another, from one experiences to another. So, it is called wandering. As we wander, we experience troubles, problems, difficulties, hardships, trials, and other things. We experience that in life. As we experience those things in life, we come to know Jesus Christ along the way, no? Matagbuan na to na siya. Jesus Christ. So, kung ato na siyang ma-met, getting to know Him, mabot na ta diha sa engagement ring. We are engaged with Him and we have to engage life itself. So, engagement ring. So, that is the second ring, no? And then, getting to know Him until we reach to wedding ring. So, as the bride of Christ, the church is the bride of Christ, no? Kibaw na ba tana? The church is the bride of Christ. So, that's the wedding ring. So, wedding ring, we experience personal relationship with Him. He is the husband of the church, no? Intimacy with Him. So, we become closer, and intimate with Him. No? Very personal relationship. So, that's the wedding ring. After several days, several months, several years of getting closer to Him, getting kanang more and more familiar to Him, siya way problema, kailam na siya nato. Kita mo oy makikila-ila ginyag maayo. So, as we go along sa wedding ring, we experience different kinds of suffering. So again, we have to wear that ring, the suffering. Life is not a walk in the park. We have to suffer with Him. Anong mo suffer man ta? Of course, because this is a fallen world, no? It dates back to the Garden of Eden. Sa dihang nakasala si Adam and Eve, no? So, fallen world. So, natural na adiha mga suffering, no? Na adiha tanang klase sa mga pag-antos, trials, mga sakripisyo, mga hurts, mga pains, mga etc., etc. So, we have the suffering. In order to survive, we have to wear persevering. We have to persevere. Persevering and enduring. Aron mo survive ta. No? The persevering and the enduring. Then after that, the next level is prospering. We have to prosper. Mo prosper man gid ta after the pains, the trials, the troubles. Mo prosper kita spiritually growing, emotionally sa maturity nato, psychologically mo prosper kita, emotionally, financially mo prosper gayud kita after the persevering and enduring. Prospering will follow. After we prosper, we remember everything. Remembering. We remember all the pains, the trials, the wanderings, the getting to know Him, the suffering, etc., etc. We have to remember Him, and we have to remember the ring, remembering. Remember meaning never to forget. No? So, we should not forget all the experiences we encounter with Him in this life. After remembering, we have to wear the offering. We have to offer everything to God. Offer thanksgiving, offer all the praises, offer we have to be grateful, we have to offer glory unto Him, the thanksgiving, and then after the offering, the honoring. We have to honor Him with our wandering, engagement ring, wedding ring, suffering, enduring, persevering, the prospering, until we remember Him, everything, and our experiences. Then after that, we offer everything, we give honor unto Him. The honoring. No, we should not forget all the rings in our lives. So, all glory, thanksgiving, atong ihatag og balik niya. No? So, pila naman to ka ring? Wandering, engagement ring, wedding ring, suffering, enduring, persevering, then the prospering. After that, remembering. After remembering, the offering, and the number 10 ring, honoring. So, we have 10 rings in all in our lives, no? In our Christian walk. We have to wear all the 10 rings. So, mao ka na. Without those rings, dili ta makaabot gyud sa pinaka top, the epitome of what is life all about. Life is not a mystery. It is given, no? Ato na i-explore, no? So, again, 1 Thessalonians 5:17 and 18, rejoice evermore and pray without ceasing. Rejoicing and praying without ceasing are the two important tools in surviving this path called life. Kaning ato ang lousy walk with God, lousy walk with Jesus Christ, makatabang kay ng rejoicing and praying without ceasing, no? Muna atong mga vitamin P and the vitamin R, mga rejoicing, no? So, ingon anak. Again, thank you kaayo sa inyong pagpaminaw sa atong infotainment. To inform, to entertain, no? So, very light lang kayo ang atong message karon, but dunay kalabutan sa atong pagkinabuhi og sa Bible usab, no? So, I hope na-enjoy ra pud mo, do na ra pud mo na learn, do na ra pud mo na katunan pila kabok ang atong rings aning kalibutan nga suulon. It could be more, pero mura to'y akong na pick up as of now. So, again, have a good and godly day, and please don't forget to subscribe, no? Ana lang good. Subscribe lang good. Kana og ganahan mo sa content sa ato ang platform, no? Inana lang. So, to God be the glory. Lord, I will continue to share your word because this is your business. The Father's business is to share His word to the lost world. Again, have a good and godly day, everyone, and love you all.